Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett, and these are your Business Bites. Scotiabank of Jamaica is making more progress as the country moves to become a digital society. President and CEO of the Scotia Group, Audrey Tugwell Henry, noted that more customers are choosing to do business digitally, and the bank is focused on making doing business convenient and safe by launching a digital collaboration tool.
And this allows our customers in our Scotia Access program to have access to their personal bankers and their advisors, whether insurance or investment advisors, via our mobile app. And it's very interesting because now our customers can have a video chat with their personal bankers or their advisors.
Customers will also be able to exchange documents in the program. She was speaking at Scotiabank's annual general meeting on Friday. The CEO of Jamaica Broilers Group, Christopher Levy, is reminding Jamaicans of the significant role that poultry and agriculture plays in Jamaica. He was responding to a concern raised that the government could import chicken at a cheaper rate.
Is that once we start moving away from local production and the development of agriculture as one leg of our stool, the entire makeup of our economy will change for the worse. And we've seen it in Haiti as a testimony. They had a poultry industry, they had a tremendous agricultural industry, exporting mangoes, pears, tomatoes, all of these sort of things, rice, and that was wiped out. And in 5 years' time, it was done, and now you look at the country that is next door.
Mr. Levy was speaking at a Mayberry Investments Limited Investor Forum on Wednesday. And those were your Business Bites. I'm Cody Barrett.